Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to create polls on Instagram in two ways. So there will be like two ways to creating a poll in Instagram. The first way is just by a story. So you can just open your Instagram application, and right after that you just need to stay in the home sections, and you just need to like slide your screen into the right side to access the Instagram camera. Whenever you are here, now you just need to add the picture that you want to upload here. So just go visit your photo library and just tag or pick the picture that you want to upload, and right after that you just need to take a look on this button pictures. And the second one, you just need to click them, and there will be like a lot of features that you can use. So this is the updates of Instagram versions. This is the look, and if you want to have a polls, just go click this. And right after that you just need to add the questions. Let's say here asking your follower, do they like chocolate? And after that you just need to give an options like yup or another option. And right after that you just need to go click done and adjusting the positions that you want to put. And right after that you just need to go click add to your story. And that is the first way. The second way is you just need to create a feed. So you can create the polls on your feed too. You just need to go click this plus button and just pick the picture that you want to use for your feed to create a polls. And right after that just go click next and go click next again, and you just need to go click this captions part, and there will be options, a poll section. Go click them, and after that you just need to prepare the questions just the same, and just give the options yes or no. And right after that you just need to go click OK, and this content is really ready to be uploaded into your Instagram account. So that is the way, guys, how to create polls in two ways on Instagram. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you for the next tutorial.